I took my NCLEX Next Gen October the 18th, which was my granddaughter's birthday. And I got my results back on October the 20th, stating that I passed. Yes, I am now a licensed vocational nurse thanks to ReMar V2. Yes, I had a long journey. I started out in 2010. Yes, you heard me, 2010. I took the NCLEX, didn't pass, got discouraged, waited like 2 years, took it again, didn't pass. So I just said, forget it. I'm not going to do it no more. It's not for me. It must not be for me to be a licensed nurse. I'll just stay a CNA. Then I started thinking about all that money. Yes, when I say all that money, because I went to a private school to pay for my nursing. So I got back in the game. I joined ReMar University. Then I finally got V2. Oh my goodness. Yes, it is awesome. You guys need to get V2. It's very broken down. She explains everything she states in V2, the questions, the rationales, the videos. Oh my goodness, it helped. When I say it helped, you see, I'm a licensed vocational nurse now. It helped me. I understood. I took my personal notes. I had ReMar's notes. Yes, I love V2. You guys need to get V2 if you're struggling to be a nurse, if you're a repeat test taker like I was, if you're a brand new graduate, get V2, get ReMar V2. You need the next gen, because that next gen, you need to know it. And when I say you need to know it, they're shooting all type of questions at you, questions I've never seen, but all I can hear is Regina sitting there saying, you got this, you can, you will, and you must pass NCLEX. And yes, I did. So you guys get ReMar. And thank you, Regina. I love V2. Thank you, Mark, for all your inspirational words, your prayers. I heard them. Trust me, before on my way to the testing site, I prayed. I thanked the Lord. When I got in there, I thanked him again. After I answered 20 questions, I sat there and went outside and I prayed and I thanked him again. And when I walked out of there, I prayed and I thanked him again. And I thanked him for ReMar University. I thank him for V2. I thank him for you, Regina and Mark. Thank you so much for your program. You are number one. When I say number one, you are number one. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, you're looking at Nurse Taylor, LVN, on my way to get my blood withdrawal and IV certification. And then I can be promoted at my job because I already work at a hospital. I think I want to work in the ER because it's fast paced and I feel I'll learn a lot and move around and get the experience that I need. But thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you